to another video. In today's video, I will be giving you a grocery haul for my meal prep for this week. So yeah, if you don't know, in my last video I mentioned that I'm on this healthy journey where I'm exercising and all that. So on Sundays I meal prep, so I'm gonna show you what I bought, and then once I meal prep everything, I will come back and show you how it looks. So yeah, let's get into this haul. So right here we have a silicone pan that I purchased from Target for $16. And these aluminum foil pans here I got from Dollar General. I got 4 of these core waters from Dollar General as well. And then right here I got 5 of these cheese and cracker type of snacks here from Kroger. And then also from Kroger, I got this bell pepper mixture here that I used in my chicken and my egg bites, some shredded cheese, a bag of Brussels sprouts, then a bag of pink salmon fillets, and then here's a 4-pack of chicken thighs. And then I got the classic grape Olipop as well as the orange squeeze Olipop. I love those. And this is the only kombucha that I would drink, which is the cranberry apple. 2 probiotic waters in peach raspberry flavor. And then I want to try these here, these pomegranate lemonade teas. This is the first time I do it. 2 sweet potatoes, then 2 fruit cups here with raspberry, blueberries, and pineapples, a thing of brown eggs, and then some light Greek yogurt. And that is the simple haul, y'all. So everything's ready to go. This is my egg bites here. I got bell pepper, spinach, and I'm about to put some cheese on top of that. My Brussels sprouts are seasoned. Chicken is seasoned. Just got to mix it up, and I put the rest of the bell peppers underneath it. And here's my salmon. Sweet potatoes are already in the oven. So yeah, this is everything here. About to go in the oven for this meal prep for this week. Alright, y'all, so this is how my meal prep turned out. These bowls here have the Brussels sprouts in with the chicken and rice, and then the salmon has the sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts, and here are the egg bites. I gave my daughter one, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this simple grocery haul and meal prep Sunday, and I will catch you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.